Welcome to the Calgary, Alberta airport, where I wanted to show you guys we can make art pretty much anywhere. And so traveling can be a little bit stressful, a little bit hectic, and disorienting. So I wanted to make a video talking about how to find our calm, our peace, whatever word that you need today, and really connect into that.
So the invitation is to begin by choosing a word that feels most in alignment for you. The one that I've chosen today is calm. To begin drawing first abstractly a couple of shapes to see what that feels like or what that could be. Kind of a place of exploration, of play, of discovery. What could that safety, calmness be? So just drawing out some shapes, and then feel free to fill out any of the shapes with symbols or perhaps a landscape that feels really mentally calm as well as physically. However, there's a little bit of discernment here of while you're drawing those symbols and while you're drawing that landscape or some of those other pieces, to not get too wrapped up in what it looks like, because that can take us out of that meditative calm state that we're going for in the first place. So let it blossom, let it be this calm meditative practice. Keep coming back to that emotion, keep coming back to that feeling state. So remember, when we're creating art, we want to be following our what feels delicious, what feels juicy, the same way that if you're to smell really great coffee brewing or really great coffee being roasted and you're just like, oh, that smells good, and you just like keep going towards that, or whatever your favorite smell is, cotton candy or baked goods, whatever that is. You just kind of want to keep following that bliss or keep following that pleasure. So as I was creating, I was noticing that I was really jonesing for some strength in the lines. I felt like that would be really satisfying, and as I noticed that I'm really craving that strength and that containment for my softness and femininity to feel calm and to feel landed. And don't forget, as you're creating, some of the best ways that we can move in that creative process from a feeling of joy and happiness is the Venn diagram of how hard can this be, and also having low expectations. Kind of that where that meeting place is that place of like, this is really effing awesome. And when that's sparked by curiosity, oh my goodness, what magic we can create. So anyways, until next time, happy creating.